Claude versus ChatGPT for business is not really a winner-takes-all question. The better question is, which tool should handle which part of the work? Most businesses lose time when they ask one AI to do every job. Claude is strong when the job is long-form, text-heavy, and needs careful structure. It is often a good place to review a page, shape a brief, compare versions, or turn messy notes into something coherent. ChatGPT is strong when the job needs orchestration across tools, images, files, research, and repeatable assistant behavior. It is often better as the control layer that checks what exists, decides the next action, and keeps the workflow moving. The mistake is treating them like interchangeable chat boxes. They are closer to different workers with different desks. If the job moves desks, the context has to move cleanly as well. Use Claude for deep drafting and review. Use ChatGPT for workflow control, verification, and connected production. Then use short handoffs between them instead of pasting the whole conversation every time. The system matters more than the model. When your files, prompts, and handoffs are clear, both tools get better. When the system is messy, both tools drift. We've got plenty more to show you over at iprostudios.com.